I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down, down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for it.
Hello guys, how are you all? Hope you're all doing great. Today I've come to this amazing location called Vanjangi Hills, located near Paderu. Just check out this view.
For the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Oh yeah, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Just let yourself go. Let yourself be and you. We're holding back each other in the things we do. It's all so blue. Yeah, what if we could grow just like the flowers through the concrete? Just you and me. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, say it loud. Wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go. Just let go. Ooh, just let go. Oh yeah, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Just let yourself go. Let yourself be and you. We're holding back each other in the things we do. It's all so blue. Yeah, what if we could grow just like the flowers through the concrete? Just you and me. Just let go. Ooh, just let go. Oh yeah, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Just let yourself go. Let yourself go.
If you come early, you can stay here and set up your tent over here. गाड़ियाँ पर आ रही
का जाना है तो
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down, down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression.
This is the entry exit to Vanjangi Hills, and this is the ground where you need to park your cars, and it's pretty tough to bring your car. You need to be a hardcore driver to get your vehicle up to this point. If at all you want to stop somewhere, you can stop 5 kilometers ahead of this and then camp over there. It's so steep and you need to take your car over this if you want to go up till the campground.
We're holding back each other in the things we do. It's all so
నేను గాలనే వస్తారా
This is the camping ground that we have stayed at. It's just 2 kilometers away from the main point of sightseeing. You can park your cars over here and enjoy your camping.
me and you. We're holding back each other in the things we do. It's all so blue. Yeah, what if we
Body, I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in a Benz.